A variable is a name which can store some value. You can have X, Y, Z, or your name or my name. Anything can be a variable. Let us see that. So here I can give X equals some value, Y equals some value, and Z equals to some value. Or I'll give X plus Y, and I can print that log X plus Y or log Z. It is showing the output. I did not say what is X, what is Y, what is Z. JavaScript is dynamically typing. You don't need to specify X is a number, Y is a number, Y is going to store a number, Z is going to have X plus Y. No, you don't need to specify that. In JavaScript, it is dynamically typing. If you wanted to declare variables, then you can use let or var keyword. So let is let X or var Y, like that. We'll discuss about the differences between let and var later, but for now, remember that declaration of the variable will be done by using let or var keyword. Let is the new way and var is the legacy way. JavaScript is not forcing you to declare variables, but if you wanted to make it, then you can use the first line, use strict. It will always force you to declare variables. All you have to do is use strict. If some variable is not declared, so Z is not declared, either var with let. I'm simply directly using Z equal to X plus Y. We get an error saying that it is not defined. Let Z equals or var Z equals, anything is fine. Then use strict will not throw any error. So what type of values we can store? In JavaScript, we have these data types: number, begin, string, Boolean, undefined, symbol, object, null, like this. Let us see one by one. As you can see, X equal 10, Y equal 20, Z equal to X plus Y. And this is number type. Let us find out. We have a function called type of. This will give you what is the type of that particular X. The value stored in X is a number. It is showing that. And what are the other types we have? We got something called begin. So what is the difference between number and begin? Simple. Number can store the values about 2 to the power of 53 minus 1 till that point. So after that, you will not get the good result. So that's why you have begin. So let us see that. So let n is equals to, let us have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a big number. So let us see what this is going to print in it. So it shows something like this. And let us give n here. I'm giving n. So the moment you give n, it thinks that that's a big number. That's a big number, and it is going to give the entire number without any modifications. You can see that. This is the advantage of it. So now let us see the type of n. I'm using the function type of. Check it. It shows begin. Remember that. So for number, you don't need to give n, but for begin, you have to give n. Next, we have strings. You can store some username, password, or any data in it. Let us see the type of this one. Type of username. This should display string. You can use double quotes, you can use single quotes, and also you can use tick. This tick is like template string. We'll discuss about this later. So double quote, single quote, and tick. Anything is okay to create strings. Everything is a string. So if you use tick, you can create multi-line strings. Next, what we have? We have something like Boolean. So you already know what is Boolean. True or false, 0 or 1. So let is message exists, something like that. I'm giving true or false. Here, true or false is a literal value. Type of is message exist. So I'm using control space to autocomplete, and that is a standard technique in every IDE. Control space. It shows Boolean true or false. Next, we have undefined. You declare a variable, you declare some variable, and there is no value assigned. Type of that variable becomes undefined. Even if you print that, it shows undefined. It shows undefined. And let us see the type of, because there is no defined value for that, it shows undefined. Next, we can able to create objects by using new keyword, new some object. So it can be, let's say I wanted to create an array, you can create an array. We can discuss about this thing later, but for now, we'll see the type of this one. Type of data. So this will be an object type. And remember, arrays can be created by using square bracket as well, not only by using new array. So this is also accepted. This is also accepted. Both are same. Whenever you create something by using new keyword, or if you create something by using object symbol is this one, and that becomes an object, and it will display the type of data. Type of that variable is an object. If we have to create a missing object, then we will be using null type. So you can able to specify let data1 is equals null. So that means it is null, doesn't have any data in it. It's the missing object. You'll come to know about this concept later. For now, just remember, null is to represent a missing object. And the type of null is going to be an object, not the null. You can play check. The type of is an object. And the final type in JavaScript is a symbol type. It's a new type in JavaScripting, and it is to create unique values. But the value you don't see, it is just to create a unique values. That means even if you compare with any other value, that will not be same. Let us check that. You can see that u1 is equals to, we have to use symbol of. That's it. You can give anything inside of this one. You can give a description, symbol of I. So that's it. This is a unique value. So u1 is a unique value. You can create another value, and you can even compare log u1 double equals to u2, and then check it. What is the value? It shows false. So because though values are same, symbol is same, but still it is going to display false because it is going to create a unique value internally. So that's the advantage of it. If you consider all these, number, begin, string, Boolean, undefined, symbol, all this becomes primitive kind of data types, but object, this is going to be a reference data type. So this is what you have to remember about JavaScript data types.